It's very hot, yeah. Oh wow, you can see, look at that. Now it's fallen down, came here.
Also, see, I can just fold it.
Oh,
It will not break, and I can just open it also. I'll just show you how this is packed.
okay.
This comes like this. This is a new pot. Yeah.
Oh, it's a massive
Looks like
size.
yeah.
Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. This is Alan. So we are in Cochin and this is Mr. Vivian.
Hello.
Hi sir, and this is O2 Polymer Pots. So he is the founder of O2 Polymer. You can see a lot of colorful pots. So let's ask all the information about him. Sir, tell me how this unique idea came.
Yeah, it was a 6 to 7 year old.
Okay, 6 to 7 year old idea.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. They're like we started with vertical pots.
Okay,
So
vertical pots.
Vertical pots are like these are the vertical pots.
Okay.
So it's like it has two hooks,
Uh-huh.
and it could be used as a in the
Okay.
mesh.
Okay.
See.
So
See on the
okay,
walls
this is the
of it.
vertical. Got it. Got it. So it's you can see a lot of vertical pots. So this was his unique and first idea.
Yeah.
And yes,
Then
sir.
we came with other pots, like
Indoor
all
pots.
Indoor pots, yeah, basically the indoor pots, all in colors. So in a house, everyone wants to be colorful.
Yeah,
not in
colorful.
dark. So
and
so all
nowadays
this-
it's getting trend.
Yeah,
Like
so people have different themes also in the bedroom, in the living room. So it is like they use whatever colors they want.
Okay.
And make their small world
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay. So that's how it started.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes,
Now
tell
I
me.
will-
So
we
now
will-
you how many pots you have?
Well, we
how many
have
varieties?
like altogether some 100 pots.
100 varieties.
Yeah.
Oh my
so
god.
Here,
Okay.
here it is like the outdoor pots.
Okay, these
I'll
are the
show you
outdoor
the
pots.
outdoor pots. Yeah.
Okay.
All in black or terracotta colors.
Okay.
So this starts from 5 inch, 6 inch, then say 8 inch,
Okay. 5,
10,
6,
12, 14,
Okay.
16, 18. Till
Okay.
18 we have.
So these are the
These are like 18
18 inches.
Yeah,
The big one.
the big one.
Okay.
So then we have other pots like polymer pots.
Okay. These are the polymer pots.
Yes. So this is a material called polymer.
Okay.
This is actually LLDP.
Okay.
The material we use for water tanks.
Okay, you can see this
So,
is the
yeah.
LLDP material,
So-
the water tank material.
Yeah.
which is-
The benefit of this material is it can go. The durability of it is more,
Okay.
and it can withstand like from the very morning till the evening.
Okay, the hot sunny.
Yeah, dawn the dusk and
Okay.
yeah. These are like small ornamental pots where we can ornamental plants you can put.
Okay.
Okay, and this is like 12 inches. Starts from 12 inches. So this is called poppy pot.
Okay, poppy pot. The thing which I observed is that it look like premium, the ceramic,
correct,
the
correct,
granite
correct.
design, and which is absolutely weightless and price, it is comparatively
cheaper than
the most
ceramic or granite
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
marbles.
Yeah.
It gives a look,
Yes.
and there you can see. This is like 2 feet.
Okay, 2 feet.
This is used in front of receptions and all, even
Okay.
at homes and all.
Even you can grow lily, lotus.
Yeah, correct. Lotus pot.
Okay.
This is also we have bigger pot also.
Okay.
Much bigger than that. This is like 2 feet. We have 3 feet also.
Okay.
This is on corners and all. We use this rectangle pot
Okay.
to give borders and all.
So this is how it works. And this one is round.
Yeah, this is
The globe shape.
Yeah, globe shape. This
Okay.
is globe pot.
Wow.
A bigger one.
The much more thing which is attracting, that's the design.
Design.
The design which is looks like premium
Correct,
ceramic
correct,
things.
correct.
Yeah. And the next.
Here the bigger one from that.
Huh.
The rectangle pot only.
And you told me there will be a kind of separation. The vertical
yeah,
one.
Yeah, this can be used also, and we have one LED pot.
Okay.
That is there. I'll show you later.
Okay.
I'll show you now. This is LED pot.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the LED pots.
This is like you can use it as a where you need to have a partition, where you wanted to give a partition, or on the border of it.
Uh-huh.
On the border of it, where you have a balcony area,
Okay.
where you want to grow something. So this could be a better option. And see,
So which you
look
can
at-
grow the plants or trees in between, and you can design with the LEDs.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. This is a kind of partition.
Correct.
And the next, and which I observed you have lot of premium, the designs, colors, different in size and
Different
everything.
shape, yeah. This is again a shape where no one in
Okay.
India has done it.
With this shape.
Yeah, this shape.
Wow, it's look like barrel.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like flat also and round also. Combination of both,
Yeah.
square and round.
The next.
Then we have other pots like see I've shown you this. See the small one 18 inch.
Okay.
Then we have like 24 inch.
Okay.
This is like 36 inch.
Okay. So these are the items which you have now.
Yeah.
And moreover, I can see lot of varieties. So you told me like 100 plus, right?
Yeah.
100 plus varieties.
100 plus
So out of this, may I ask you one thing? The most demanding thing, which one?
Like we have currently seen that when we entered into this polymer pots, polymer pot has picked up well.
Okay.
So earlier it was like outdoor pot, then you saw the indoor pots.
Okay.
Now the polymer pot has come up well. Like people are wanting this because this has durability, and this is like this feels like not a plastic.
Okay.
And it looks like a ceramic only.
Okay.
So this is going well right now.
Okay. What about the other one? It is also.
I can also show you some HDP pot.
Okay.
This is HDP pot.
Okay.
See.
So what is HDP?
HDP is this we give for vegetable growers and all.
Okay, vegetable growers.
Yeah. So this pot, the benefit of this pot is like this will not break.
Okay.
Even though you use it for outdoor also. See, I can just fold it.
Oh.
It will not break, and I can just open it also.
Okay. Okay. So it won't be breaking.
It won't. It has flexibility.
Okay. Okay. So that's the what is.
Yeah. And I'll tell you more superior. This is more superior than this also.
Okay.
Polymer pots.
Polymer
this
pots.
is LLDP.
So which the customers nowadays is trending for this one right now.
Correct.
Okay. So guys, what we understand, there are a lot of products and everything. So there are much more products. So he's going to explain. So what are the products, sir?
So I'll show you some unique things
Okay.
which no one has.
Like hand design.
Yeah. This is like two hands holding a pot. So like this would be used for event management. People actually buy this.
Okay.
And you can use it for decoration purpose also at home, at office space.
Which you have two colors.
Yeah, two colors and more colors are coming. This is just like just we have just trialed this thing. So now this will come in 4 colors actually.
Okay, got it.
Beige and grey also.
Okay. Yes. So what are the other things which you have like one pot?
I'll show you more. This is something again a unique thing which no one has. So like this is a pot organizer where you can put 5 pots in a stand.
Okay. 5 pot.
Okay, yeah. And this is like this. Everything could be removed also.
Yes.
Yes. I'll just show you how this is packed.
Okay.
This comes like this.
Okay.
And this needs to be assembled.
Okay.
See 4 hands. 4 hands here. Like 4 trays here. This is the 5th tray. So this comes here. This is the base.
Okay.
A strong base. Then your hand comes here.
Okay.
1 tray.
1. So there are 5, right?
Yeah. This you can use like this also, like this also. Anyhow. In whichever direction you want it.
Okay.
Yeah. This.
3.
And then this is the 4th.
2 more.
Yeah.
Okay. 5. So it's very compact, and you are saying that this massive size is which is fixed on that small box.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
And any kind of pot, you can use.
Indoor pots.
Yeah, either you can use the square pots, or you can use the round pots.
Okay.
Whichever you wanted.
Okay, got it. So it's all like a indoor plant things.
Correct.
And it's a kind of organizer which you told, like all the plants are being like organized out of five plants you can think.
That's right.
And
this
you told
like
me one
total
more
length
thing.
of it comes like 4 feet.
4 feet, right? Yeah.
This is something like that.
Oh.
It has got
one pot with fish.
With
you can see
inside,
a beautiful fish, and another one is a plant.
Yeah, plant.
Okay.
So this is all water plants.
Okay.
Just like money plant or lucky bamboo.
Okay.
So these could be used here.
So that's the kind of one pot, 2 lives. Plant
it's a
and
new concept,
fish, which is the plant waste will be absorbed by fish, and the fish waste will be absorbed by the plants. Okay, got it. So guys, finally we are going to experience the factory, the unit. Sir, tell me, what is this all?
Yeah, this is, I'll show you
all
one
the pots.
pot,
Yeah. Small indoor pots. Look at that. Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the pot. Yeah. You can see some holes here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all these holes are like for the water to absorb. We pour the water here. The water gets collected here.
Okay.
And from there the roots will go down and pick the water.
Got it. So that's how it's works.
Initially you may have to put the thread on it, cotton thread on it.
Okay.
So that the whenever the soil gets dry, the water gets absorbed.
Got it.
And then wick irrigation purpose, I mean, it will work out like that.
Okay, okay. So this is the machine, the small unit, and you can see what do you call this one?
Hopper.
Hopper. Okay. So he's collecting some polymer.
Yeah, this is the material.
This is the pure material.
Polypropylene. Yeah, this is the material.
Let me zoom out. Yeah.
This is like granules. It comes in like granules. This is a petroleum product actually.
Okay.
And then this is used, and here it is loaded into this hopper. When it comes down to a barrel.
So accordingly you can change the color, right?
Yeah, we use color also. Here you can see they have all this white one, no, this balls.
Let me zoom in. Yeah. Okay, this one, white one, right?
Yeah, not this one.
So white, white color.
Yeah, this is actually white in color.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, if you don't put this will come as a transparent color.
Oh, got it.
So when I'm putting this is like a white color. This becomes white color. That is why the products are all white in color.
Okay, so that's the reason why this new pots are in white in color.
Yeah, and from here it comes down to the chamber. It's like heated into 200 degrees Celsius, and this comes into a mold over here.
Okay, so this is the mold, right?
Yeah, this is the mold.
Okay. Guys, you can see the mold.
Getting
it's very
open.
hot. Yeah. Oh wow, you can see. Look at that. Now it's fallen down. It came here. She's collecting.
Yeah,
she's cleaning it out
for quality.
Yeah, quality, and she's cutting the side edge, making it more.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, perfect. And that's how all the small pots are made. And you can see the people are just working. Look at that. The polymer is added in the hopper, and the hopper from here, the cups are coming over here, the pots. And from here, she will collect and she will cutting and making in a proper size and shape. So that's how it's working. So sir, tell me, what is actually polymer?
Polymer is actually a byproduct of petroleum only.
Pure form of plastic.
Yeah, that is the virgin plastic.
Virgin plastic.
We use
so that's are the the pure form of the plastic, and they are making the pots. So these all are the unit how the pots are made, and I hope you guys understand how the the pots are made. So I hope you guys understand how the product is made and how they're designed and everything. Yes sir, tell me.
Yeah, we can supply to pan India level wherever anyone wants. We are looking for a distributor other than Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay. So anyone interested can contact
us. So especially is looking towards Hyderabad and Bengaluru, who is watching this video and interested in dealing the dealership, you can connect him. I'm going to give the number on the description, the email and everything. You can connect him. And apart from that, now the curious question, that's what is the price range?
Yeah, price range, all these polymer items, it starts from 600, 700.
Okay, 600, 700 rupees it starts. Like it's premium. Actually, when you buy the same thing on ceramic, it is very expensive, right? Right. So if the same thing, the same size, if we buy as a ceramic, it costs about 17 to 18,000. Correct. Right? So in that scenario, you can just have this polymer, and you can grow big monster trees like a mango, jackfruit and everything. Right. So you can see over here they are just growing the jackfruit and everything on this polymer. So sir, tell me, so which is a live demo, like which are growing the jackfruit? Jackfruit. Okay. Yeah, this is jackfruit. Jackfruit. Yeah. This is again a jackfruit there. Okay. I'll show you one jackfruit. Mango. You can see mango. It's hanging over here. It's all are like a O2 polymer pots. Okay, so there is a jackfruit, you can see there's a jackfruit growing over here. Yeah, so what is this? Yeah, this pot I'll show you. We have made a wheel. Okay. This is a tray which has got 4 wheels. Okay. So this is like a trolley. So there's something updation in the industry where you have tray also and the wheel inside. Okay. So this is like if you move a pot like 360 degree anywhere. Okay. And this will withstand some around 100 kg. So basically, when you put something here, you are mixing soil as well as cocoa peat inside. Okay, got it. So it will be lightweight also. So you can move somewhere. If you are using it indoor also,
we wanted to move to show some sunlight also, you can move it.
Got it.
And we have something special, we have done it. This is a new pot. Yeah.
Oh, it's a massive
This
size.
this looks like a
Yeah.
tub only.
Okay.
So wherein you don't need to put 12 or 15 pots together,
Okay.
the black pots.
So at a time you can plant 10, 15 plants.
You can just pour in some soil and then whatever you wanted as a kitchen farm,
Okay,
it could be done here.
got it. So it's also like a
This
premium
is like
one.
3.5
Yeah.
feet.
3.5 feet.
Square
It's a
square
big
block,
size.
yeah.
Okay. So this is also used as the same material which is used in the water tank.
Same material.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys understand each and everything, the pots, how the pots are made, all the indoor pots, how he started his journey and everything. We are in Cochin and you can connect him and see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.